Good morning. Thank you. Don't okay.
Thank you. Now I request the honorable guest to please come and entitle the students on the topic of financial awareness for the young investors. Thank you.
So, hello friends. Good morning or good afternoon. Good afternoon. So, very detailed introduction has been given by them about me, about your college. In fact, I am honored to be here. So, we start with SEBI. So, have you heard the name SEBI? Every day आता रहता है न्यूज में सेबी ने ये किया, सेबी ने इस कंपनी को कहा, सेबी has issued various guidelines. Any idea what is SEBI? What is the function of SEBI? Please raise your hand, then speak. Don't make a face market. You are a management students. Behave like a management students, not like illiterate person. Yeah, please stand up and speak so that everybody can listen.
Keep an eye on security market, how the regulation, no cheating is done with the customers.
Yeah, well done. In fact, SEBI is a regulator. There are various regulatory body in India. Can you name few regulatory body in India established by Government of India? One by one. Please, one by one. Raise your hand, then speak. RBI, Reserve Bank of India. What does Reserve Bank of India's role? It's basically bankers of bank. It basically regulates the banking system in India. Then any other regulatory body? Government तो overall regulatory body है ही. Then they are IRDA. Have you heard the name IRDA? Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India. Basically, it regulates the insurance business in India. Then, what does SEBI basically regulates capital market in India? What is market? Where exchange, some exchanges between buyer and seller or some commercial transactions are carrying on. And capital means basically it regulates, so we can say SEBI regulates money market. So SEBI basically regulates capital market. Capital market means a kind of money market in India. Okay? Then the other roles of SEBI is basically in capital market there is primary market and secondary market and various financial intermediaries are there. So what is primary market? Primary market क्या होता है? Yeah, first time allotment of shares or securities are being done by in primary market, and secondary market where resale of already allotted shares. Okay? So that is secondary market. Then there are various intermediaries in financial market. Stock brokers are there, merchant bankers are there, registrar of issues are there. So in सबको manage करना is the main function of SEBI. Then there is another function of SEBI is to basically aware investor. Basically, there are various intermediaries. Then the another important function of SEBI is to educate investors. Then handling of grievances and complaint of investor. किसी इन्वेस्टर ने पैसे जमा करवा दिए, उसको शेयर्स अलॉट नहीं हुए, या उसका मनी रिफंड नहीं हो रहा है, या उसको बोनस शेयर इशू नहीं हुए, तो these all are being handled, all grievances are being handled by SEBI. ठीक है? These are the main functions of SEBI. Then can we have somebody so that money matters? How much? Money matters for me very much. How much for you? A lot. Money is everything. Everything. No money, no honey with money, without money. So there is a saying कि if can't manage money, money will manage you. अगर आप money को manage नहीं कर सकते हो तो money will manage you. So I am here to at least tell you some tips about how to manage money. ठीक है? Money is everything for you. Most of the students, most of the us, money is very important for us. So we are here to learn something how to manage few tips about the money so that at least we can manage our finances. Otherwise, money will manage us. Then why there is a need of financial education in India? Why? First thing, we need to manage money. So obviously we need to know about the money. Finance क्या होता है, कैसे आता है, कहाँ पे जाता है. Then other reasons why we need financial education. In earlier 20 years back, there was a now composite family system is there. Now is a nuclear family system is there. तो earlier क्या होता था, when there was some problem with one member, तो other member can take care of their family members. So it worked as a automatic insurance system there 20-30 years back. But now it's a nuclear family, so only husband, wife and their 2 children. If something happens to the bread earner, then who will take care? That is a main reason deterioration of now personal financing in India. Even you see lot of people, they are into grip of debt. They are not able to manage their debt. They have credit card, they have debit cards, they have taken borrowing from credit card. They are not able to manage their credit card. So there is a deterioration of personal financing in India. Earlier, at the time of my father, we were purchasing something when we have money in our pocket. ठीक है? कार जब परचेज की जाती थी, जब कार के लायक पैसे होते थे. Now 90% of the cases you will not see this. People, they don't have money, but they take cars. 90% of the automobiles, vehicle are being sold on loan. The loan are being taken normally when people don't have money. Okay? So this is the main reason we need financial education. When we need to take loan, what are the steps we need to take care before taking any loan? Then there are so many investment opportunities are there. You can invest in bank, you can invest in post office, you can invest in share market. In share market also you can invest in primary market, in secondary market. There are so many types of securities are there. Okay, insurance are there. Every day might be you are receiving call from some insurance agent कि आपके लिए बहुत अच्छी policy launch हुई है, guaranteed return ले लो, ये ले लो, वो ले लो. The purpose here today of this seminar is not to sell any particular investment product. The purpose is to tell you the general things about the various investment opportunities for you. Mind you, when you go into the market, the seller will tell you those things only on which he will get the maximum commission. There are very good insurance policies also in India, but no people is telling about those. No seller, no insurance advisor is selling those policies because they are getting less commission on those policies. They are selling only those policies on which they are getting the maximum profit. Even you see in Government of India, Government of India launched a pension scheme 2 years back, but it's not popular till now because the advisor is getting very less commission on selling a pension product. So that's why a mutual fund industry is on decline because last year SEBI abolished any incentive plan for the advisor. No advisor is making any incentive on selling mutual fund. So that's why no insurance advisor, no financial planner even advises you to take mutual fund because he will not get any commission. SEBI abolished incentive plan for the advisor 2 years back. So you need to, so many products, at least you should come to know what are the products which are more beneficial for you. And everybody is different from the other. My need is different from him or her. My choice of product will be different from his or her choice. I cannot buy a product mainly because my friend has bought that product basically. So we need to understand what are the what are the investment avenues are there, what are the pro and cons of, there are pro and cons of every investment avenues. Then what is financial planning? सिंपल फंडा मैं बताता हूँ. प्लानिंग क्या होती है? प्लानिंग इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ आंसरिंग ऑल द क्वेश्चंस. Who will do, what will do, how can be done, where it can be done, when it will be done. तो सिंपल वे में अगर आपको प्लानिंग के बारे में लिखना हो तो यू कैन आंसर प्लानिंग इज द प्रोसेस टू डिसाइड how is to be done, when is to be done, where is to be done, by whom is to be done, by whom it will be done. ठीक है. एंड प्लान क्या होता है? फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग इज द प्रोसेस. प्लान इज द आंसर ऑफ ऑल द क्वेश्चंस. Who will do it, when will be done, for whom it will be done, ठीक है, where it will be done. So planning is the process of deciding about the all the question, and plan is the answer of all the question. When we add financial planning means deciding in advance about how much, what are our financial goal and how we will achieve our financial goal basically. So financial planning consists of various steps. Gathering financial data. First thing is gathering financial data. Mein it will be what are your income and what are your expenditure. You will get income through gift, pocket money, rakhi, birthday gifts, and expenditures. Normally income बहुत कम होती है, expenditure बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं. So it's also a main reason कि we need to focus on financial planning. So then first we need to collect various in financial data. Income क्या है हमारी, expenditure क्या है हमारे, asset क्या है हमारी, liabilities क्या है. Then identify goals and risk appetite. What are our financial goals? क्या क्या हमारे फाइनेंशियल गोल्स होने वाले हैं. ठीक है. वी वांट टू परचेज अ बाइक यामा दैट विल कॉस्ट 1.5 lakh, और वी वांट टू गेट सम गुड कार दैट विल कॉस्ट एटलीस्ट 4-5 lakh. तो there are various financial goal. You may have, you are in BBA, so you may have goal to go to MBA for some foreign university that will cost 15-20 lakh. That is also a financial goal. So there are various financial goal, and then there will be a risk appetite. Risk appetite means kitna risk you can take. Everybody is different in the matter of taking risk. Somebody is high risk, somebody is high risk taker, few people are low risk taker, few people are moderate risk taker. So can you elaborate some reasons why risk taking ability is different from one person to another person? Why it's not same for everybody? Or what are the factors which affect risk taking ability in any individual? Raise your hand one by one. Yes. Nature of the person is one thing. Some person are very conservative in approach. Some person somebody may be very liberal in approach. That is one reason. Yes. Need for the money in future. If you have some definite need in future for money, so you will go for some conservative approach. ये ना पैसा डूब जाए तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं जाएगा. तो if some definite need, like normally हमारे फादर मदर क्या करते हैं, जब भी जैसे अब जन्म हुआ वहां पे they have fixed up some fixed deposit, 2-3 लाख का फिक्स डिपॉजिट करवा दिया कि when it will be age of marriage, that will be cumulative, some will be sufficient for marriage. So if we go for some fixed, we have some fixed target, if we need such money definitely after 2-3 years, so we normally follow conservative approach rather than liberal approach. Any others? How much money one is having? If anybody is having so much money, so he can easily use liberal approach rather than conservative approach. यार थोड़ा बहुत पैसा डूब भी जाएगा तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. जिसके पास थोड़ा पैसा होगा उसका थोड़ा ही पैसा डूब गया तो बहुत फर्क पड़ जाएगा ना. Looking after the market, confidence level. So there are many reasons which basically determine the risk taking ability of a person. तो फाइनेंशियल डाटा हमें कैसे मिलता है? मंथली इनकम क्या है, हमारे मंथली एक्सपेंडिचर क्या है, हाउ मच योर मंथली एक्सपेंसेस है. This is exercise for you. Just collect few information about your income and expenditure. It is given in your booklet. Open your booklet. This one. Activity number 1. What is the page number here? Page number, activity number 1. Page number 6. Just do that. Just you need to prepare a monthly budget. Monthly budget. Budget means budget means estimation of your income and expenditure, inflow and outflow. Just whatever the income you have in a month, might be through pocket money, might be through some gift. So you can add those items into income head, and whatever money you are spending on movie, other thing, picnic, mall, shopping, just जल्दी कंप्लीट करिए, प्लीज बी फास्ट. नो फार्मूला, just you need to jot down your monthly income and monthly expenditure. Amount. Yeah. Student, you need to mention the amount. ठीक है? How much you are spending on pocket, how much you are getting through pocket money, part time, somebody might, you are doing some, taking some tuitions. So you need to write down the part time assignment, how much you are earning through part time assignment, through prize, stipend, cash gift, राखी पे cash gift मिलते हैं. और it is income for girls, expenditure for boy, राखी gift. Return gift. अच्छा, you are getting some return gift also on Rakhi? Ma'am, might be you are very fortunate, you are getting some return. You have to give some. Okay, unfortunate. If your income is more than expenditure, then surplus. If expenditure is more than income, deficit. Now, what are you doing with surplus? You need to do some investment. So how do you invest? In some good luck piggy bank or something in? And how you are making deficit? How you are covering deficit? Mummy se मांग लो, पापा से मांग लो. Loan from whom? Who will give loan to you? है? चलिए. Now goals may be short-term goals, medium-term goals, and long-term goals. Up to 3 years is short-term goals, 3 to 5 years medium-term goals, and above 5 years long-term. So what are your goals? Your goals, any financial goal, you want to do something, you need some money for some goal, any idea? एनी गोल्स? क्या है गोल्स? अच्छा, ड्रीम्स और गोल्स में क्या फर्क होता है? व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन ड्रीम एंड गोल? तो ड्रीम, हाँ, ड्रीम में हम जब टाइम बाउंड टाइम कंडीशन लगा देते हैं तो दैट विल बिकम गोल, सिंपल। जब तक हम उसमें रिसोर्स एलोकेट नहीं करते हैं, टाइम एलोकेट नहीं करते हैं, वो ड्रीम ही रहते हैं हमारे। जब हमारा कोई भी ड्रीम होता है, जैसे वी वांट टू परचेज सम बिग कार, लग्जरी कार, that is a dream. But if I put up some time condition into that dream, कि I want to purchase car by the end of 6 years, I want to buy this car by the end of 6 years, that will become our goal. Now smart goals, देखिए goals, whatever the goals you have, convert those goals into smart goals. That is very very important for you. ठीक है, गोल्स होने से ही वो अचीव नहीं होते हैं. यू नीड टू कन्वर्ट दोज गोल्स इनटू स्मार्ट गोल्स. नाउ देयर इज अ वे टू कन्वर्ट गोल्स. फर्स्ट यू नीड टू कन्वर्ट योर ड्रीम इनटू गोल्स बाय पुटिंग सम टाइम कंडीशन इनटू दैट. यू वांट टू बाय यामाहा RX 100 समथिंग 1.5 लाख का आता है, तो दैट विल बी R1 निंजा. कितने का कॉस्ट है? 110. तो 110 जब तक ये सोचते रहोगे, जब तक वो ड्रीम रहेगा. बट उसके साथ जब टाइम कंडीशन लगा लोगे कि आई वांट टू गेट दिस बाइक बाय द एंड ऑफ 3 years, देन दैट विल बिकम गोल. कन्वर्ट योर गोल्स इनटू स्मार्ट गोल्स. नाउ गोल्स मस्ट बी स्पेसिफिक. ठीक है, जितने ज्यादा आप गोल्स को, अपना जो भी गोल है आपका, कन्वर्ट इनटू स्पेसिफिक. आप क्या उसको स्पेसिफिक, उसका कोई ब्रांड नेम, जैसे यू वांट टू बाय सम बाइक. बाइक इज नॉट सफिशिएंट. यू नीड टू पुट अप विच बाइक यू नीड टू बाय, यू वांट टू बाय. ठीक है, उसको जितना स्पेसिफिक आप बना सकते हो, मेक देम स्पेसिफिक योर गोल्स. कन्वर्ट योर गोल्स इनटू स्मार्ट गोल्स. You want to go to some shop, you want to go for picnic, vague goal, confusing goal. Make it specific. You want to go to that particular area, that particular mall for picnic. Make them specific. Then measurable. Goal is always measurable. ठीक है, suppose you need to buy a bike, convert into specific. You want to buy Yamaha, suppose करो Yamaha. ठीक है, मेरे को Yamaha, मेरे जमाने में Yamaha बहुत चलती थी, तो मुझे यामा का ही नाम याद है. तो यामा, यू वांट टू बाय यामा बाइक, स्पेसिफिक, मेजरेबल. कितनी कॉस्ट की आती है? 1.5 लाख. मेजरेबल बनाओ उसको. हाउ मच यू नीड फॉर गोल, दैट अचीविंग गोल. फर्स्ट मेक देम दैट गोल स्पेसिफिक, देन मेजरेबल. ठीक है, देन सपोज यू वांट टू गो फॉर MBA. दिस मे बी a one goal. Going for MBA is vague goal. Make them specific. You want to get into IIM, specific. ठीक है, that is a specific. Always make goal specific goal. Put tag with them. I am Ahmedabad, I am Calcutta. ठीक है, make them I am Rohtak, MDI Gurgaon. तो make that goal specific one. Then measurable. How much you need money or some other resources for achieving your goal. Then that goal, now you need to test. That goal must be achievable one. ठीक है, a goal may be I want to go to moon, but not achievable for me at least. ठीक है, want to win a Olympic medal, not achievable. It may be, there is a difference between achievable and realistic. Achievable means it may be achievable for other. Olympic gold medal is very well achievable, but not realistic for me. Realistic may we'll see our personal conditions whether it would be realistic or not. Then last is time bound. Smart, time bound. Put some time condition, time bound. Put some time conditions on your goal. So smart means specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time bound. Our goals must be in writing. Whatever the goal you have, you should jot down that goal and put in front of your study room or somewhere else where you can see daily that goal. If you have not written your goals, 90% of that 90% chances you will not able to achieve your goal. So it's very essential to write all your goals and convert them into SMART goals. Now there is a two approach, incorrect, not smart, and smart. I need money to pay my college fees, not specific. Make them specific. I will save rupees 50,000 to pay my school fees. Specific, make them specific. Then measurable, I will pay off all my debt. Not measurable, how much? In next 6 months, I will return rupees 1,000 or to my friends. Make them measurable. क्या चाहिए आपको? जैसे आपको suppose you want to get into IIM, ठीक है? So you need to make measurable. You need to study at least 6-7 hours to go into IIM. So you need to write, I want to first SMART goal specific कैसे बनेगा? I want to go to IIM. Then measurable क्या होगा? I have to study at least 7 hours a day for getting into IIM. ठीक है? Then attainable or achievable means it is well achievable for others also, and realistic, it is well realistic for you also. Then it should be time bound. When you want to get into IIM, at the age of 60? No. At the age after 3 years or after 2 years. Make them specific. You want to get into IIM, you have to study at least 6 hours a day for getting into IIM, and you have to achieve this goal at the end of 2014 or 2015 after 3 years. This is very essential. Goals सबके पास होते हैं, but they don't know. People generally they don't know how to convert goals into a SMART goals. ठीक है? Now this is the exercise for you. There are two persons, Mitesh Jain and Ankita Singh. You need to convert their goals into SMART goals. This is a 2 minutes exercise. Do it right now. There are two persons, Mitesh Jain and Ankita Singh. Age 20 years, college IIT, passion bike, want to buy a bike. Explain their SMART goal. This is very well, might be you have the same goal like Mitesh Jain or Ankita Singh. Don't ask from other. Goals must be your unique only. Don't copy from other. ठीक है? उसका ये गोल है तो मेरा भी यही गोल होगा. ऐसा नहीं होता है कभी. उसका गोल हो सकता है IIM में जाना हो, आपका गोल हो सकता है किसी और इंडस्ट्री में जाना हो, फैशन इंस्टीट्यूट में जाना हो, निफ्ट में जाना हो. इसमें नहीं है. इस बुकलेट, this exercise is not from this booklet. Just convert their goals into SMART goals. हो गया? डन? ये तो वर्बली हो सकता है यार, इतना कुछ सोचने की जरूरत ही नहीं. हो गया? अब बैक बेंचर्स से मुझे थोड़ा ज्यादा लगाव होता है, तो बैक बेंचर्स के पास जाता हूँ. यस सर, प्लीज स्टैंड अप. You are here mentally and physically, or physically or mentally somewhere wandering here and there. What would be their SMART goals? Anybody else? क्या होगा SMART goals मितेश जैन का? He wants to buy bike. Put some specific bike. Yamaha, Hero Honda. Measurable. Cost कितनी है? 1 lakh, 50 lakh. So Mitesh Jain wants to buy a bike. So he has a goal to buy a bike of rupees 1.5 lakh. He after he needs to save at least 20,000 or say 10,000 in a month to get this bike in 1.5 years. Okay? So this is a specific goal. Risk and return. Normally, ज़्यादा risk, ज़्यादा return. Simple funda.